Randy because I love her so.
Hi guys, this is Ryan and we're going to Captain Hook.
And this is Randy, and we're going to the longest water slide of Lapu-Lapu City, located at G Park Hotel and Casino. Annyeonghaseyo! Akyat na tayo guys. Sabay tayo hanggang sa 4 na palapag ito guys. Pangalawang palapag pa lang tayo guys. Sobrang taas talaga dito guys, nakakatakot, nakakalula, pero worth it yung ganda guys pagdating natin sa itaas guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, may nakasabay tayong ano guys, Japanese. Smile lang tayo dito guys. Lapit na tayo sa itaas guys. Sobrang ganda talaga dito guys. Oh, look at the background guys. Oh, sobrang taas. Merong batang Koreana guys, yung nasa likuran ko guys. Oh, tingnan mo, sobrang lalim.